The mission of the legal clinic is really close to my heart. I understand the struggles. I'm sensitive to the extra burdens that immigrants bear.
Immigration is not an issue that people think of as being a big issue in Hawaii, but it really is.
That's the challenge, is how do we figure out how to help this massive population, a total of 100,000 or more people in the state who fall into this category of not yet being citizens. And the legal clinic's free legal services is really an exciting way for us to get involved.
Our services vary from direct one-on-one legal services to immigrants to a broader level of trying to improve access for the entire LEP community to unemployment insurance. And then to a lesser degree on a national level by joining with national groups in advocating for improvements in our immigration policy.
So the Hawaii State Bar Foundation has been one of the early supporters of the legal clinic. Since June of last year, when that grant was made, we've served 102 clients with direct legal services through our attorney. And then on top of that, another about 170 that we've served through what we call naturalization workshops. There was a young man who was kept in detention for over a year who, without a lawyer, was teaching himself to fight for his own rights. He had several young kids on the Big Island and a wife, and he'd been there for 30 years and was a beloved community member. But because he had some minor criminal offenses, the federal government was ready to deport him back to a country where he really had no resources and connections. So luckily his sister contacted us, figured out that we might be able to help, and it could be precedent setting for Hawaii if we win this case. It'll help other people who deserve to stay here. And our state has the 6th most immigrants per capita. So for us to just have a handful of immigration lawyers and very few free services to serve all these folks, there's a huge gap.
And so we really want to thank the Bar Foundation in helping us try to meet that unmet need.